Hi friends, today we're going to review our nursery rhyme. I'm going to sing the song, Rain, Rain, Go Away. I'm going to sing first, and then you're going to help me fill in the blank and tell me what are those rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go. Come again another. Little children want to. Rain, rain, go. Good job, friends. Remember, rhyming words are those words that sound the same at the end, those words that say A at the end. Let's see if our other friends can help us. Rain, rain, go
away,
come again another
day,
little children want to
play,
rain, rain, go.
away.
Good job, friends.